Hi, I'm Joey Pelkowicz here with AtlasIED. Today we're showcasing our new Atlas+Fyne ceiling speakers. So we have a 4, a 6, and an 8-inch speaker. These are a PoE and Dante enabled speaker, enabling you to do DSP settings across our software. And they have removable magnetic grills in both square and circle designs. In conjunction with our ceiling speakers, behind me you're also going to see our surface mount speakers. We're showcasing our FS6, again PoE++ and Dante enabled. We have a 4, 6, and 8-inch versions in the surface mounts as well across the Atlas+Fyne lineup. So our second launch we have here is our AtlasIED DMA and LMA amplifiers. The DMA is a smart mixer amplifier with built-in onboard DSP. The LMA is a standalone non-DSP amplifier. You can link these together. They are single channel, so you would get 2 channel with those linked, as well as our wall plate accessories that we have. If you want any more information, please visit our website at AtlasIED.com for all of the product information. Additionally, we just want to say thank you to our PSNI members for our preferred PVP partnership.